Ever had someone say, I'm all ears? It doesn't mean they turn suddenly into a giant ear. It means they're ready to listen, completely focused on you. But here's the problem. Many English learners don't know how to use this phrase naturally in conversations. Let's fix that today. Welcome back to English with Bruce. If you want to sound confident and natural when you speak English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Today's idiom, all ears, meaning to be fully listening, eager to hear what someone has to say. Korean equivalent, 완전히 집중해서 듣다. Business examples. We're all ears for your presentation. Please walk us through your proposal. The CEO says she was all ears to new ideas that could improve efficiency. Everyday examples. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. When my colleague mentioned the rumor about our boss, I was instantly all ears. So remember, when you're all ears, you're not growing giant ears. You're just completely tuned in. If you enjoyed today's idiom, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. And this Wednesday, I've got a powerful business English lesson that will sharpen your communication skills and boost your confidence. See you then. Keep learning, keep leading, and stay all ears.